Hello guys, it's Imran from Artintech. I'm gonna show you how to make a company profile uh, in Prospect software. So we will go to settings and then we will find a tab of company profile. Hit that and you will see a window which says company profile. We have name, your company name over here and a tagline for your company, and then you can add the address for the company, email address, contact number, contact website, shipping address, billing address, and notification email address. And then you can send email notification on sales order. You can check and uncheck that. And you can also upload your a logo. You can also change your logo from here, from this button, and hit save. That's how you make a company profile in Prospects. Thank you.